What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to fall because I take a ton of slams and somehow I escape injury. So I'm going to give you guys my tips on how not to get broke off snowboarding. And I'm sick of getting DMs from you guys saying you broke your arm, you broke your collarbone. So let's hopefully eliminate these slams, and I'll help you guys out with not getting hurt. Tip number one is slow down. A lot of times injuries happen because you were going too fast for what you were doing. Now, when you're doing bigger tricks, the risk factor goes up because you gotta go faster. But when you're learning how to hit a box, hit a jump, everything like that, sometimes the injuries happen because you're either going way too fast, or if you're hitting a jump, you're going way too slow. So manage your speed, do the appropriate speed for what you're doing. If you're just carving or riding the mountain, there's no reason to go Mach 100 and catch an edge and then blow your shoulder out. Slow down, you don't have to be going crazy fast. The next tip is stop doing this when you fall. Never reach forward with your hands. When you reach out, when you hit the ground, you break your wrist, break your elbow, break an arm, all kinds of stuff. Never extend out. If you're falling and you need to catch yourself, elbows out, kind of this position right here. Make a fist so you're not breaking any fingers. I've broken fingers in the past. So you're falling, if you're falling forward like a toe side catch, arms up, tense up, boom. The next thing is it's hard because when you catch a heel edge, a lot of times when you catch anything, when you slam, it's unexpected. You weren't expecting the slam. But if you're falling backwards, once again, don't reach back. Just kind of take the slam, kind of hold your chin to your chest. You don't want to get that whack of your head on the back. So if you're falling backwards, kind of keep that neck in, but when you do fall backwards, the next thing is momentum. Go with the fall if you can. Continue the rotation so you're not getting an abrupt stop. You get this nice fall and then you kind of roll over, and it helps with the injury. Kind of go with the momentum, don't fight it too much. The only thing you want to try and fight is your head hitting the ground. So no matter how you're falling, the number one tip, and I should have maybe started with this, is always let your snowboard take as much as the impact as possible. If you're falling on a jump, if you catch your edge on a rail, if you can get your feet down first, get that snowboard to take as much of the impact as possible, that is gonna help you out so much. So always try to get that snowboard to take as much as the impact. On top of that, always try to get your big muscles to take the injury. You don't want, once again, to be landing on your hand, your arms, whatever. You're trying to take things into your tricep, your butt, as much as you can do it, land on your butt. Get some crash pants. I got some linked in the description. It's nice padded shorts that when you hit the ground, it has a little bit of padding, so you're not gonna break a tailbone, things like that. But try to make sure you're landing on your bigger muscles and not on those dinky little fingers and stuff. All right, we got Michael here with his way of falling, and his is more oriented when it comes to skating, but you can take these, anytime you're falling, the more you fall, the better you get bad at falling. So here's Michael's example.
Yeah, so one of the things I like to do, on concrete at least, is put my hand down the arm and kind of roll with the whole body, but even snowboarding, I'll do it right here. If I fall or go forward over a box or something, I just kind of roll right out. And
so it kind of comes back to that going with the momentum. Don't just try to stop. Anytime you're stopping, it's gonna hurt more. Kind of go with the rotation. All right, we got the one guy who has fallen the most on my channel. All right, Benson, it looks like you fell right here. How did we fall? Any tips for falling?
Yeah. Everyone's gonna fall differently, but personally, I like to take that impact right here to the back. You know, you're coming around from a spin, you're coming around off a jump or a rail. You know, try and just let like this big part without letting your shoulder directly take the impact, but a combination of the shoulder with the back, just like, oh no, you know, just like that.
So there's a kind of a common theme here. Go a little limp, but tense in the appropriate positions, which is like your arms or wrists, bring those in, keep them tight, but your whole body should go kind of limp and roll out of the majority of your falls. Every fall, every slam is different. These are guidelines. There's always exceptions to the rules. Weird things are gonna happen. But no, if you come into the terrain park, those very steep landings are meant so if you fall, you're gonna slide right out. Like the park is designed to help you not get hurt. So sometimes, a lot of times you get broke off because you're trying the wrong stuff in the wrong places. Like you're trying to throw threes off of cat tracks opposed to off of a park jump. And the last tip I'm gonna give you is on park jumps, if you do fall on the landing, don't like immediately put the landing, like the stop brakes down, because what can happen is you could catch an edge again. So like kind of just lean against the landing and kind of just slide out, and eventually you'll stop at the bottom. Don't want to get up too quick and then catch an edge again. All right, Team Buckhouse, I hope that video helped you with slams. I hope you enjoyed all the montage of my slams and Benton slams and Michael slams. We've had a lot of good falls on this channel. So make sure you smash the like button for all of those slams. But also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. My goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible, but also help you not get hurt snowboarding. Also, if you want to get any of the Evolution stickers or any of the merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, it's all linked in the description. If you do snag it, tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow my Instagram. It's where I post a bunch of bonus extra content. Not only will you know where I'm ripping each day, you can come say what up to me, but that's where the extra content is. The stories have me and my son always doing fun, cool stuff, and you gotta check it out. Follow the Instagram. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never.
Bro, fall down.